After a long day of trying to be a superior human, I think it's only right that I get superior sleep. And apparently, my friends at the Honeydew Sleep Company agree because they sent me this gift package and told me, "Lay your head on my pillow." I opened it up and took a moment to appreciate this packaging because the bright green reminds me of fresh fruit. It came wrapped up in that airtight plastic, so I was worried that it would take forever to inflate, but it seemed good to go in about 10 minutes. There was a hint of that fresh out of the box smell that we all know and don't love, but it wasn't too bad, and they included instruction cards to show how to properly take care of that. I am definitely going to give this a wash, but in the meantime, I just threw the pillowcase on there so I can test it out for a little while first. After laying on it for a few minutes and just like kind of playing around with it, I decided I really do like the firmness softness ratio of this pillow. But luckily for me, if I didn't like it, that wouldn't be too much of a problem because the pillow is adjustable. There's this zipper here that allows you to add and remove filling to just make it to your liking. And as long as you own the pillow, the company will send you out filling for free.